everyone, very, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you Improvers Solo Tango Routine number 3. This was taught online in our Zoom class on Monday the 30th of May 22. So if you're looking in my video library on my website, you're looking in the Tango and Samba playlist, and you are looking for the 30th of May 22. This is a little short summary. I'm going to turn around face the front. We started with the ladies' steps. Let me grab my paperwork. We started knees bent, walking backwards. Walk, walk, progressive link to the promenade point. We then walked across and we did a natural promenade turn to a natural rock turn, and then we did an open reverse turn. Let's go. Walk, 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 open, rock, 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 forwards and close. Back, heel turn, exit, forwards and step back. Okay guys, let's do that again with the timing. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we had two slows transition into section 2. So I finished here with my left foot back. I'm going to put my weight forwards very slightly on my right, drag my left in, and then we switched and we did the whole thing again on the leader's timing. So we did slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So again, that is Tango Improvers Solo Routine number 3, and it was 2 walks, progressive link to the promenade point, natural promenade turn to the natural rock turn, and an open reverse turn with the lady in line, which is why she's doing the heel turn, 2 slows, which was the transition steps, and then we did it all on the gents' timing. I'm going to dance the whole thing with all those quicks and slows for you. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. There we go. As you know, I will be putting this on YouTube, so if you're watching this on YouTube, I can't do it with the music, and if you did watch my class, you'll know that I do everything with all the music, but obviously we can't put that on YouTube. So guys, just a very short summary: Solo Improvers Tango, practice routine number 3, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.